In the Middle European Winter Tyre Arena, two heavyweights face off. The Goodyear UltraGrip Performance 3, Goodyear's proven winter contender, and the Michelin Alpin 7, Michelin's bold new successor to Alpine 6. This is a direct battle over snow, wet, and dry performance. Let's see who comes out on top. Throughout this comparison, the performance metrics are shown in percentages, with the Goodyear UltraGrip Performance 3 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from the Reifen Testers 2025 Winter Tire Test. In wet braking, Goodyear stops 0.3 meters shorter, a 1% edge. But Michelin strikes back in wet handling, scoring a subjective score of 7.7 against Goodyear's 7.3, a 2% advantage. In aquaplaning, Goodyear clears water at 90.1 km per hour versus Michelin's 89.5. That's about 1% better. Overall, Goodyear hold a slight lead in braking and aquaplaning, while Michelin delivers sharper wet handling. Snow is where differences become clear. Goodyear stops 0.6 meters shorter in snow braking, about 2% better. In snow handling, it scores a 7.8 against Michelin's 7.1, a 4% gap. And for traction, Goodyear pulls ahead with 2,614 Newton versus Michelin's 2,512 Newton, another 4% stronger. Across all snow categories, Goodyear takes the crown with noticeable gains in handling and grip. In dry braking, Goodyear edges ahead by 0.4 meters, about 1% better. Dry handling also favors Goodyear at 7.6 versus Michelin's 7.3, a 2% advantage. Small differences, but still consistent in terms of Goodyear's favor. For NBH, Goodyear scores slightly higher on interior noise, with an 8.1 against Michelin's 8, a 1% edge. Ride comfort, both are tied at 8. Overall, Goodyear is marginally quieter, while comfort stays the same. Efficiency matters too. Michelin records a lower rolling resistance coefficient value at 6.9, while Goodyear comes in at 7.3, giving Michelin a 6% advantage. That means better fuel efficiency and reduced CO2 emissions. When it comes to pricing, for the tested size 215/55R17, the Michelin Alpin 7 is 19% more expensive than the Goodyear UltraGrip Performance 3. In summary, the Goodyear UltraGrip Performance 3 is the more balanced choice, stronger in snow and slightly better in wet and dry braking. On the other hand, the Michelin Alpin 7 does shine with sharper wet handling and a much lower rolling resistance.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.